minutes later. Still going! And black as ever.
Goodbye.
Loading a banana. Okay, he's like,
take it out once you're done and you take it out of the peel after 15 minutes, eat it. He's like, it tastes really good.
Let's actually eat it.
okay, I'll take the first egg.
No, I want it.
We'll all take a bite at the same exact time.
Later on we should make a YouTube video.
No way.
What can you do with what can you do with a banana? I'm not doing that. You can stick it in your face.
You can stuff your bra.
You can stuff your bra. Ew, Mommy, that's like a syringe.
It's just a banana shape.
What can you do with a banana? You can make yourself happy.
Really?
What can you do with the banana? You can make a firearm. Scar. Because I'm over. I can't believe that egg exploded. See, look right here, you can see all the stuff that exploded.
Really? What'd you explode the egg?
Egg. Wait, this is like,
Yes, it is.
Haley, give it some time.
we already gave it 10 minutes.
And it's still going. Let it work.
And then he said you have to take it out of its peel. And
I was gonna like keep recording this until it like explodes.
Yeah. Does it have much memory? For 10 more minutes of recording?
As 14 minutes and 57 seconds.
Okay. 3 days later! Go to the forest!
oh, baby. I'm not sure to do with that.